Welcome to the channel. Today we're here to talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, an exciting new drone expected to launch in December 2024. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about its rumored features, its launch date, and how it stacks up against older models like the Mini 4. By the end, you'll know what to expect and whether this drone is the right choice for you. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or just curious about the latest tech, stick around, you won't want to miss this. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. Each model in the Mini series has brought something new to the table, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to follow that trend. Rumors suggest this model will feature some impressive upgrades that could make it the best in the series so far. If you've been waiting for a good reason to upgrade your drone, the Mini 5 Pro might just be it. One of the biggest upgrades is the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include a 4K camera that can shoot at 60 frames per second. This is a significant improvement over the Mini 4, which maxed out at 2.7K resolution. The ability to record in 4K at 60 means smoother, higher quality footage, whether you're shooting fast action or cinematic videos. It's a game changer for anyone who wants professional looking results, whether for travel vlogs, creative projects, or capturing everyday moments. Another rumored improvement is the battery life. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to have a flight time of up to 35 minutes, which is 5 minutes longer than the Mini 4's 30 minutes. While it might not sound like a huge leap, every extra minute in the air counts when you're trying to get the perfect shot or explore a wide area. The added battery life means less time worrying about recharging or swapping batteries, and more time enjoying your flights and capturing footage during outdoor adventures. The obstacle avoidance system is also rumored to be better on the Mini 5 Pro. With more sensors around the drone, it's expected to detect and avoid obstacles more effectively. This is especially helpful for beginners who might feel nervous about crashing, but it's also useful for experienced pilots flying in tricky environments like forests or urban areas. The improved sensors add an extra layer of safety, making flights smoother and more enjoyable. The 35-minute battery life is another highlight. While the improvement over the Mini 4 might seem small, those extra 5 minutes can make a big difference. You'll have more time to explore and capture footage without interruptions, which is especially valuable during longer outdoor shoots. It's a welcome change for anyone who wants fewer battery swaps and more time in the air, whether on a hiking trip or filming an extended scene. The enhanced obstacle avoidance system is another standout feature. With more sensors detecting objects around the drone, the Mini 5 Pro is better equipped to avoid collisions even in tight spaces. This is great for beginners who are still learning to control their drones and for anyone flying in areas with lots of trees, buildings, or other obstacles. The added safety and ease of use make it a great option for pilots of all experience levels. The Mini 5 Pro's main strengths include its upgraded camera, longer battery life, and improved safety features. The 4K resolution and smooth 60 fps recording elevate the quality of your videos, while the extended flight time gives you more freedom to capture the shots you want. The obstacle avoidance system ensures a safer and more confident flying experience no matter where you're flying. However, it's important to note that the Mini 5 Pro may come with a higher price tag. This could make it less appealing for beginners or people on a tighter budget. Additionally, while the camera is much improved, it might not match the performance of higher-end drones like the Mavic Air or Air 2, which offer even better image quality at a premium price. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like a fantastic option for anyone in the market for a compact, high-performing drone. With its powerful 4K camera, longer battery life, and enhanced obstacle detection, it offers a lot of value for its expected price. Whether you're a casual user looking for better video quality or a professional seeking a portable, reliable drone, the Mini 5 Pro has something to offer. Its upgrades make it a strong contender for both new and experienced pilots. If you've been waiting for a solid reason to upgrade your drone, the Mini 5 Pro could be just what you've been looking for. Whether or not it's the right fit depends on your budget and needs, but for many, this next-gen Mini will be worth the wait. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and reviews on the latest drones and tech. See you in the next video.